friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you my updated everyday makeup look, because the last time I posted, well, the only one I ever posted was probably like 2 years ago, so it's probably time to update that, because 2 years ago I was really pale, and yeah, and you know, it's been 2 years. Like, if anybody does their makeup the same way they did 2 years ago as they do now, I don't know, I guess they just don't like change. Because I definitely don't like anywhere near, like 2 years ago, my everyday face routine was like full on like foundation, like cake face, like I needed to cover everything up. And now my everyday is so much more simple. I mean, I still wear falsies, but that's just, you know, personal preference. Yeah, like I don't wear foundation. I mean, I still do my eyebrows. I still, like, you know, like I said, I wear false eyelashes. It's just more, it's more about the face and like just, God, I don't know how I want to say this. And it's also like the middle of summer, so I don't want a crap ton of foundation on my face like that. Like, I want to be able to let my skin breathe. I have a couple of breakouts, nothing really like too serious, but enough of my rambling, because I do that shit way too much. So let's just go ahead and get into it. Day to day, I do prep my face differently. It just kind of like depends on my mood. Today I'm gonna prep using the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. So refreshing. Oh dang. Almost out of that. Guess I should get a bigger bottle if I like it so much. So at Sephora, you can buy, this is what I did instead of buying like the full sizes, because I didn't know if I was gonna like it or not. So I didn't want to drop all that money because Tatcha's kind of expensive. So at Sephora, they have this box that you can buy, and I actually keep it, like I keep it on display on my vanity because I think it's like really cute. I don't have anything in it, but you know. And it has like deluxe sample sizes, like the Dewy Skin Mist. It has what is it, the Tatcha like water cream or something. I love that stuff. I'm probably gonna want to buy a bigger one because, oh my god, like it just, I don't know, it feels so nice. Like, you'll have to just feel it. Like when you rub it in, like it starts out kind of like, you know, a gel cream, and then it thins out like into water. Like it's kind of bizarre, but like it's really cool. So try that. I love it. And then it comes with a like deluxe mini, the rice powder enzyme scrub or whatever. That, I don't know if I would buy a bigger one or not, because like, I mean, I like it, don't get me wrong, but it doesn't, like, I'm not like, oh my god, this is the best scrub ever. Like, it doesn't, it's good, but it's not like, you know, whatever. It's not blowing my mind. And then, like I said, I skip foundation on a normal day-to-day basis. And I just use powder, and the one that I want to use, I can't find. Oh, there it is. This is the Milani Conceal and Perfect Shine Proof Powder, and I use the shade 05 Natural Beige. And yeah, I have literally just put this all over my face. And that's my foundation. I mean, of course, like in winter, a lot of the times, like I do like to wear more makeup just because like it doesn't feel as bad in winter, but like summer, oh, you can forget that. It's like disgusting. I hate that feeling of like being hot and having like a full face of makeup on. It just kind of grosses me out, honestly. And then I still do like, you know, the normal stuff like highlighting and contouring and stuff. It's just a toned down version, if you will. yeah, it's just all powders. Like, I don't go in with any cream on my face, really. Like, I don't even, like, use, like, cream concealer. It's just all powder. So, what's new? Going in with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, because, you know, it's the best. And we're just gonna lightly carve out these cheeks and bronze a little bit, because it's summer, and we all wanna be bronzed golden goddess bitches, because that's what society tells us we need to be during summer. So let's go for it. I still contour my nose the same. Literally, like, nothing changes as far as like the way that I do my makeup. I take out the cream. That's it. For daily use. Well, not use, but daily wear. Yeah, there we go. And typically on a normal day, I take forever to do anything. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you this, like, it doesn't matter. Like, oh my God, especially when me and my mom are together, we can be like running errands or something and like trying to get stuff done. Something that should only take like 30 minutes will literally take us like 4 hours. Why? I don't know, but that's how it is. That's annoying, we're annoying, and that's it. And then I like to go back in with my powder brush and just kind of go over my nose contour a little bit to make sure there's no harsh lines, because that's not cute. And even like daily, sometimes I wear blush, sometimes I don't. It just kind of like depends on my mood. But for the sake of this video, I guess I'll put on some blush. Yeah, we'll keep it clean today. I'm gonna go in with this. I think this is the one I used in my last video. But this is a Milani blush. It's in shade number 11, Blossom Time Rose. Oh, I love this blush. It's just such a pretty, it's just so nice. Oops. All right, we're good. I think this is just like a really good color. Like, I feel like it could look good on a lot of different skin tones. A highlighter that I've been loving recently, I've actually been wearing a lot. It's a Wet n Wild, one of the Mega Glow highlighters. And, okay, so I've been looking for these for like a while. I guess they're really popular, but this is the shade Precious Petals. You know what, I think Jeffree Star talked about this a while ago, like maybe like a year or two ago or something. But anyways, this highlighter, y'all, oh my God, just give me 2 seconds and like you'll see. It's freaking beautiful, and it's like a couple dollars, like it's Wet n Wild. And just like the tone of it, just, it's perfect. It's perfect and so affordable. We'll jump back in with that in a minute. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, and I use the one in light to medium. And I usually just like to I like to mix the light shade over here and the Madonna shade and mix those together and just kind of pop it underneath my eyes a little bit so I don't look as tired. See? Just a little brightness added there. It's nice. That's nice. It looks like I took a nap. Okay. Just like that. Oh, hello, pimple. Who invited you? That's fine. For my eyebrows, I seriously just do those the same exact way. I need to get a pencil. I don't have an eyebrow pencil right now. The last one I used was actually an ABH one, and I don't know, it didn't like irritate my skin to like where it turned it red or anything, but like I noticed whenever I would fill my eyebrows in with it, they would itch so bad. Like, it was bizarre, because I've never had an eyebrow product like make my eyebrows itch, but the ABH pencils do for whatever reason. But going in with my trusty MAC, the Fluidline Brow Gel Cream, yeah. And I'm the shade True Brunette. just comb these eyebrows into place. I don't know if I ever told y'all, but the brush that I do my eyebrows with, it's just an e.l.f. like small angled brush. Nothing fancy. And I'm still enjoying my method of starting kind of in the middle and doing the tail and then working my way towards the front. It just, to me, that looks so much more natural versus like starting at the beginning and just like filling in and going ham the entire eyebrow. So who's excited for this Norvina palette by ADH? Because I'm pretty freaking jacked, if you want to know the truth. What is my eyebrow doing? I really hate how some days you can draw your eyebrows on like absolutely perfect the first go and like not have to clean up or anything, and then some days you're like, what the fuck? What is happening? I need to clean that up because ew. Is anybody going to Warped Tour this year? Me and my boyfriend are going. If you want to say hello. Ugh. Oh my God. I think a demon just came out of me. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Now that that tragedy's over, I'm gonna go in with my beloved L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover Concealer Palette and clean up these eyebrows, because I don't really know what happened with my right one. It's fine. You'll know what I mean though? Like, who else has those kind of days? Like, one day your eyebrows come out so perfect, and the next day you're like, bro, what the fuck? What are you doing? How do you live like this? I think we should stop now before something happens disastrous. Because we made this no telling. Alright, and I'm gonna go in with my MAC Brow Set Clear Brown Gel. Set these bad boys down. Make sure they ain't going nowhere. Not today. Maybe tomorrow. So for the 4th, me and Chris went to Chattanooga and we stayed at the Choo Choo and we went to Ruby Falls. It was so much fun. But y'all, I literally planned on, like, just gonna be blunt, honest here. I planned on being shit-faced that entire trip. I had 2 drinks. They're 5 hours apart from each other. So that plan did not go as planned, obviously. Now we bringing back the Wet n Wild highlighter. Told y'all we was bringing it back. And I'm just gonna take a smaller brush because, you know, for my Cupid's bow, I like to do the tip of my nose and then the bridge right here. Then we're gonna go highlight the brow bones and inner corners. And then I like to take just a fluffy crease brush and then whatever bronzer I use like that day, which, you know, typically the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. Just take that fluffy crease brush and literally I just like to lightly like run it through my crease. Literally all that's left is mascara and lashes. That's it. But before we do that, I'm gonna spray some MAC Fix Plus. Ugh. Oh, I should have said that before I started spraying. That was bad. And I mean, this isn't really necessary, but I just like to fan my face after I spray it. All right, guys, lashes and mascara is on. And by the way, the lashes that I use are the same ones that I always use. These are like my ride or die eyelashes. Like, I branch out sometimes and like I'll try other ones. Usually drugstore, like I usually don't buy expensive lashes. Yeah, the most expensive eyelashes I've ever bought were actually these. I keep this box just whenever I put my eyelashes, like whenever I take them off, I put them back in this box just because, you know, it's good to travel with and like they can't get crushed or anything. I'm so sorry, my nose itched. But yeah, it's the Pure Pro eyelashes. 3D cruelty-free luxe lashes, up to 30 wears, it says. And I remember liking these a lot. They were only like $14. They weren't like crazy expensive. Like, I would never spend a lot of money on eyelashes, honestly, just because like I have, where'd it go? Like the eyelure, the luxe ones, the style opulent are the ones that I wear. They're about $10, and honestly, I feel like you can't beat these. Like, they're so comfortable to wear. I reuse them I don't know how many times. Like, I wear these bitches till they start falling apart. And I don't know, I think they're totally worth it. So, eyelure, sponsor me. Help. But yeah, those are my favorite eyelashes ever. And I do have to trim them a little bit because of course they are a little too big for my eye, but other than that, they're just, I love them. They're comfortable, they look good. They don't look like plasticky like some Ardell lashes and stuff like that can look. So, alright guys, that concludes my everyday makeup look. I hope you like it. See, it's not heavy, it's very light, but you know, obviously I'm still wearing makeup, so I don't, you know, look like a potato or something. Yeah, to me this is like natural glam, which is kind of like what I'm all about. Like, I like to look really like pretty, but like kind of like an almost an effortless like glam pretty. Does that make sense? Like, I feel like that's just what this is. Like, it's just effortless pretty, but still has that like glam to it thanks to like the highlight and like the lashes. So yeah, that's my take on it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more of me. Turn on that notification bell. You know, all the other crap that all the YouTubers say, just do all of it. Until next time, guys.